Your brain is the most powerful organ in your body, processing thoughts, emotions, and memories at lightning speed. But how does it actually work? How can this 3-pound mass of tissue possibly be responsible for everything we think, feel, and do? Join me on this 5-minute journey as we unlock the secrets of your brain, exploring its intricate workings and mind-blowing capabilities. Imagine a supercomputer capable of handling over 86 billion processors, each with the ability to form 10,000 connections. That's your brain. We're talking about a level of complexity that dwarfs even the most advanced technology we have today. These 86 billion neurons are the fundamental units of your brain, and they're constantly buzzing with activity, sending electrical signals back and forth. This intricate network of neurons is what allows you to experience the world around you, from the simplest sensations to the most complex thoughts. It's a marvel of biological engineering. Now, how do these billions of neurons actually communicate with each other? Picture this: you touch something hot. That sensation of heat is picked up by sensory receptors in your skin, which then send an electrical signal racing along a neuron, like a bolt of lightning. But the signal can't just jump to the next neuron. Oh no. It has to cross a tiny gap called a synapse. Neurotransmitters, chemical messengers, bridge this gap, allowing the signal to continue its journey. This process from touch to perception happens in milliseconds. It's the fastest communication network known to humankind. Think about your favorite childhood memory. Where is that information stored? Short-term memories, like what you had for breakfast, are processed in the prefrontal cortex, the brain's executive center, but long-term memories, the ones we cherish, are stored in the hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure deep inside the brain. It's fascinating, isn't it? The hippocampus acts like a librarian, carefully cataloging our experiences and emotions for future retrieval. Damage to this area can lead to amnesia, highlighting just how crucial it is to our sense of self. Chapter 4. Emotions. The brain's emotional control center. Ever wonder why you feel butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous, or why your heart races when you're excited? Emotions are controlled by the limbic system, a collection of structures deep within the brain that acts like an emotional command center. The amygdala, for instance, is responsible for processing fear and danger, keeping us safe from harm. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex helps regulate our emotions, preventing us from making rash decisions in the heat of the moment. It's a delicate balancing act, this interplay between our primal instincts and our higher cognitive functions. Chapter 5. The brain and sleep. Why do we dream? Now, let's talk about sleep. You might think your brain shuts down when you drift off, but that's not the case at all. It's more like your brain clocks out for a bit and then goes wild in the staff room. During sleep, your brain cycles through different stages, including REM sleep, where dreams occur. Why do we dream? Some scientists believe it's how our brains process emotions and consolidate memories, transferring them from short-term to long-term storage. It's like your brain is running a nightly defrag, organizing and making sense of the day's events. Chapter 6. The brain's plasticity, can it rewire itself? Here's something truly remarkable. Your brain can rewire itself throughout your life. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, means that our brains are not static but constantly adapting and changing in response to new experiences and learning. It's like having a supercomputer that can upgrade its own hardware and software on the fly. This incredible ability is what allows people to recover from stroke or brain injury, as healthy areas of the brain can compensate for damaged ones, taking over their functions. Chapter 7. The future of brain science. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain, the possibilities seem endless. Imagine a future where brain-machine interfaces allow us to control computers with our thoughts, or even upload memories directly to the cloud. While this might sound like science fiction, researchers are already making significant strides in this area. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to connect our brains to the internet, accessing information instantaneously, and expanding our cognitive abilities beyond what we can even imagine. It's an exciting time to be studying the brain, folks. Your brain truly is the universe inside you, constantly learning, adapting, and making sense of the world. It's a testament to the power of evolution, a biological masterpiece, billions of years in the making. So take care of it, challenge it, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content.